Alright guys, so you see the fish with the stripes.
Yes.
Now the fish with the stripes are called the sergeant majors. The sergeant majors or the cubs of the ocean. They get their name from their stripes. Alright? Yeah man, this. Now, when you go snorkeling, they're all up in your face. Yeah man, I wanna ask you what they're doing here. What are you planning on staying? Yeah man, bring any food. Oh my god. Yeah man, they'll be coming, nibbling on you. Now the coral that's swinging back and forth like elephant ears, those are called sea fan coral. Sea fan, and that's where the fish they go and cool off in the day when they get extremely hot. They're still working on the ACs. Yeah man. So if you look careful in the reef, guys, you will see some stuff looking like a ball of niggle, like porcupine. Those are called black sea urchins. Now the black sea urchins are pretty dangerous. So when you go snorkeling, please do not touch them. Do not get bumped into them. If you do, it will break off in your flesh and go deeper and deeper and hurt like hell. Speaking from personal experience, they'll take it to the doctor, they'll pour a vial of ammonia to kill this thing. But on board we do not have any doctor, so we use a natural remedy. Can anyone guess and tell me what we use?
Aloe. What was that?
Aloe.
Olive.
Aloe.
Aloe.
Aloe vera.
Anyone else?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Anyone else? One more.
Pay on it.
Pee on it. Yeah man. Pee on it. Yeah man. But in Jamaica we're not so nice, so we say piss. We say like the closest one to you, piss on you. So guys, please do not get it break off in the face. Oh my god. Yeah man. Let's here come the golden shower. Yeah, man. And if the person beside you is all out, no worries. I bring myself a volunteer. Yeah man, and guess what? He's locked on, fully loaded. His name is Ever Ready. Can't stop them. Alright guys, yeah man, if you gave my brother a phone, you take one.